We are at Sedalia, Missouri, waiting for Amtrak's eastbound River Runner, the former Missouri Pacific station. Sounding its horn for the several road crossings in downtown, our train puts on quite the sound show. These tracks are owned by Union Pacific, which operates dozens of freight trains each day over this busy route. The River Runner service entails 2 daily round trips between Missouri's 2 largest cities, St. Louis and Kansas City. After its quick stop in Sedalia, our train heads out. Headed up by this GE P42 unit, it's made up of a cafe car and 2 coaches full of weekend travelers. The next stop is Jefferson City, the capital of the Show Me State.